I'm a hardcore Maple Leaf fan.
Oh my.
Yeah, I know. I take it after my dad.
What Athena. Hello, I know, life's so rough. Hey, Charlie. You tell him, Minnie.
Hey.
Bella. Is Bella a dog?
No.
No.
No, French Bulldog.
Oh.
Okay, Sam. I'm assuming that's Sam under there.
Yeah, it is. Why?
Digging to China, apparently.
Alfie!
You can't.
Don't get us on tape, it's not porno. Steve, stop. Now kids can't see this on the website.
Tucker wasn't there.
Pull away. Steve, let's go. Let's go.
You two goofballs.
Nothing. Tucker! Alf!
Steve.
I think he's humping. I think he's supposed
What would you like, Cobber? Would you like the ball? Where's the ball? Can you find it? Yeah, you go find that ball. There it is. Do you want me to throw it? You want me to throw the ball? Okay, not a problem. There you go. And then Minnie actually gets the ball.
the show.